Hi, this is Matt with Montell Construction. Here we're looking at our first episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. We're actually at a deck project recently completed in Rockford, Michigan. This is a multi-level deck where we utilize the Trex composite decking. Obviously the low maintenance, don't have to paint or stain. Why don't we take a look at the project? Follow me. So one of the first things that you'll notice on the staircase here is the back of the stairs or the risers. We actually utilized the Trex low voltage LED lighting. They're basically a 3,000 hour burn time on them, so you'll never have to replace the bulbs, but gives it a beautiful look at night, but also the aspects of safety as well. Why don't you follow me up the stairs here? So this is a project where the homeowners were, I don't want to say concerned about space, but wanted to make sure that they had plenty of outdoor living area built right in. So you'll notice that we actually did the built-in benches right out of the Trex material. Gives it a really, really nice finished look. Don't have to worry about buying expensive patio or deck furniture, and gives it a really nice space as far as for dining, family and friends, all kinds of good stuff. So with this project in particular, the homeowners wanted to make sure that we used some colors that obviously matched really well with the siding. This was actually a brand new home and the builder did not put a deck on the house. So we utilized the Trex Transcend Island Mist deck boards, which you'll notice, the white 4x4 posts, and then also the gray railing on the top and the bottom, or the header and the footer. Helps really bring the whole package together along with the black balusters. That's something that really helps open up the view and makes it feel not so enclosed, I guess, if you will. So this is a beautiful project, turned out really well, and the homeowners were very happy. So another product that we utilized on this project that you'll notice is actually the underdecking system. So this is a really nice system to basically finish off underneath a deck to give yourself a usable space. Not only does it look nice and also helps shed rainwater, but it also makes it feel like a truly finished outdoor living space. Thanks for joining us on our first episode of Montell Makeover in Minutes. See you next week.